Hello, my name is Sylvain Rochon. I'm the Paradise engineer. Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, what it is? What it is software, a software that is able to learn, that we can teach also. It is in the cloud, like on the internet. It is inside robots. It's inside our cars. It's inside our computers. It's already everywhere because it's software. You cannot see them, but we're using them every day in Google search, when you're watching movies on Netflix, when you're shopping, when you're chatting sometimes with companies. We're already using them. They are what we call currently narrow AI because they're very specifically programmed to do something very specific. They do that very, very well because they can learn something for 1 million years or the equivalent thereof within the box of the internet or a computer or a server, whereas experts are not only that one special task, and they need to eat, and so narrow AIs are better at what they do than human beings, and that includes analysis, driving, recognizing faces, understanding languages, searching, identifying objects, finding patterns in chaos, and even better at learning. So, why is it not scary? Like we've seen in Skynet, for example, in Terminator movies, or HAL in Space Odyssey 2001. Well, these computers are designed to be human-like. They are a single AI that's able to figure out a human being and to be as capable as a human being. That is entirely not practical to make for us, so we're not even attempting to do something like that right now. What we're trying to do is accomplish tasks very effectively. So we have millions of narrow AI, and soon we'll have billions and billions of different AI that are each capable of doing a very specific thing better than any human being could. And most of them will be connected through the cloud, through the internet, accessible virtually through your Wi-Fi to all your devices, your smartphone, your car, all these things, which is already happening. It's already there. And through that network of capabilities that are better than human being, we can ask an AI that is capable of understanding our language very well to do a certain task, to research something, to discover something. And the billions of AIs can collaborate together, each with their own specialty, to uncover the mystery or to discover something new. We are already doing stuff like that right now. We're building that network as we speak. But because each individual AI doesn't have a motivation except for doing specifically what they're doing, the network of AI is not dangerous to any one of us because they each are motivated to do their tasks really well. So as a group, as a network, they'll be interested in doing what we want them to do with masterful expertise. And we can never achieve a better experience and expertise than they could. If we develop a human-level AI, it will be an experiment to try to do it. But because we already have human-level intelligence, it's not an interesting thing except for the novelty of it. So the future is filled with invisible intelligences that are everywhere, serving us, capable to help us to become better human beings, because that's what we really want to do. They'll be working, responsible for productivity, everything that we don't really care for on a day-to-day basis. So we can focus on being responsible, conscientious, loving. And that's because all our basic needs will be met. And if our basic needs are met and we can express our individuality without worry or fear, it means fear cannot be used by governments, leaders, or companies to make us do anything. And therefore we eliminate in one fell swoop, through technology and artificial intelligence, relative peace on earth. We're still going to have arguments between each other, but not so dangerous that. And that's why we want to have AI everywhere.